A bit about myself. I decided to leave my stable career as an actuary to start Reeske in 2020. Not a typical actuarial move to say the least, but this decision is really a long-term in the making. Over the years, I see many family and friends opt out in buying insurance when in fact they should, including my wife, a new veterinarian who has no idea that she needs life and disability coverage upon going to practice, which make me feel terrible. And despite the recent progress we made in advancing the direct-to-consumer insurance purchase solution, it is apparently not enough. At the macro level, demonstrated by the most recent LIMRA survey results, life and disability insurance ownership are at historical low, driven by the shift of employers' focus from these coverages, leaving employees filling those coverage gaps themselves. And this trend, along with the impact of pandemics, prompts more consumers to start thinking about life and disability products and start looking for solutions in the individual market. And that results in the rising demand or purchase intent. For both life and disability products, the purchase intent is at all-time high. 36% and 22% of the respondents are ready to make a purchase for these products in the next 12 months, and that's unprecedented. And what's also unprecedented is the opportunity that lays ahead. We're looking at the $20 and $19 billion market opportunity for individual life and disability products for whoever can crack this puzzle and really address the customer's need. So naturally, you may be wondering, what are those needs and what are we missing today? So to best illustrate this, let's see how a typical customer will go about the experience today versus how we would handle it. Meet Jill, a nurse practitioner I recently interviewed. Just like my wife, she works at a small clinic which offers no group life and disability coverage. And given the nature of her job of attending patients, she's well aware of the possibility and likelihood of injury and severe illness, and has made numerous attempts in buying life and disability products. Given her limited financial literacy, she started out with Googling, reading online articles and blogs, just like everyone else. But that ended up going nowhere because of the conflicting opinions she saw. And she tried a few direct-to-consumer websites and almost went with a gut feeling using guesstimation. But at the end, she gave up. And she felt hesitant with her decision. She felt lack of support. And ultimately, she felt like she's not in a rush. And Jill is not alone. Based on our survey of around 300 people, over 85% who purchase life and disability products online expressed frustration. When presenting multiple options, they clearly chose a more engaging process with an educational, visual, and interactive journey. Their action also indicates the need of a process that is not only fast and seamless, but also trustworthy, with a relationship that builds upon unbiased and personalized solution, which does not end upon hitting the purchase button. So after knowing all that, we came up with the idea of making risk tangible by using consumer-friendly analytics to help people understand their protection need visually and make better insurance decisions. And that's what gave birth to Reeske, a digital insurance distributor that simplifies income protection solution with data analytics to help customers buy the right coverage at the right time and stay covered all the time. As a direct-to-consumer play, go-to-market is very critical. Instead of direct marketing, we are building alliance partnership with professional associations and startups to target a quasi-medical professionals initially. A $1.6 and $1.5 billion market for life and disability products to provide a turnkey income protection solution for their value members. Okay, now you're on board. Let's see how Reeske actually works. Imagine Jill again, intrigued by our affiliated post on National Nurses Association and wanting to know her scores to have a peace of mind, she entered Reeske.com. Unlike any other onboarding processes, she started with a fun behavioral questionnaire for assessing her risk appetite, health condition, and product preference. With her consent, we pre-fill her other information through Data Vendor in no time and went straight to the Reeske Solution dashboard. All these are done in a frictionless way. She soon saw her Reeske coverage score, a proprietary analytics developed by a team of actuaries using statistics and actuarial model to indicate the insurance sufficiency, considering factors such as her family composition, personal finance, and other risk factors. We also deliver in-depth analytics with visual advisory feedback to address any confusion or doubt that may arise during the process. She can easily see various subscores for life and disabilities coverage interactively and how it fares with people just like her. With our user-friendly analytics, she felt like she just spoke to an advisor and clearly understood the reason of needing those products and how it could protect her family's finance, both qualitatively and quantitatively. For example, she learned why the specific coverage is right for her at the moment, and she also learned that taking action now results in a 10% lower total future premium compared with buying a year later, and will have one more year of protection during her more vulnerable time. With these info on hand, she's fully convinced and understood the reason for action. She purchased a policy with confidence. And just to be clear, unlike other tools, in case she does not need coverage, we will frankly say so. And our proactive monitoring capability will periodically update her through our cloud-based platform, leveraging data vendors to detect if any unwanted risk emerges in her life. Our motto is to catch risk before risk catch you, and we truly believe it's a foundation for building a long-term trust with the customer and help them stay engaged. For life and disability products, being cheap and fast are just not a good enough proposition for customers, and we want to deliver more. Now, our testing results have proven the value of our analytics. Out of 45 people just within my network who use our beta products, who we track closely for a long time, more than 40% of them have actually discovered coverage gap with our product, and almost half of which have taken some kind of action. And that's a type of statistics I'm proud to be part of. So to make all these come true, I team up with Sean, a tech wizard whom I know for over 14 years ever since we met in college. With the technical and business expertise from both insurance and tech space, along with the support from a team of mentors and advisors of insurance business leaders, we are creating the Amazon experience for insurance shopping. Now, if you are a mid-smaller size carrier with the strategic initiative to advance your direct-to-consumer individual life or disability products line and looking to distribute your product in an innovative and efficient way, we're here to help. Our digital solution will enhance conversion and drive organic growth to help you establish a competitive edge against bigger players. As we are launching our platform in a few months, I'm inviting you to be part of our journey, a journey to help people approach insurance more positively and create another way to simplify life. Thank you.